Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find bio on YouTube Shorts. Now, to find the bio on a YouTube short, just basically tap on the three dots right here at the very top. Okay, you'll be able to see description. All right, so go ahead and tap on it. After once done, if there are links right here, well, go ahead and tap on it. So creators use this area as their video bio to share written details, expand on their content, and post external shopping or social media links. Now, depending on whether you want to read the specific video description or view the creator's overall profile about page, well, again, if the creator says link in bio or mentions details listed below the video, well, here's the right place. All right. Alternatively, you can go ahead and tap on the description area and you should be able to see it as well. Now, if you're looking for the creator's lifelong platform bio, location data, or global business links, just go ahead and visit their channel directly. All right. So tap on their profile picture or channel's picture, and then you'll be landed to their page. So tap on more right here. And then once done, you'll be able to see all of the links and details that you're looking for. So that's how you find a bio on YouTube Shorts. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.